Welcome to NTU's College of Engineering. I'm Professor Louis Fee, Dean of the College of Engineering. If you are listening to me now, it means you have done well in your studies thus far. Congratulations! I'm sure you and your family are excited about which course to take in university. The world today has evolved rapidly and is driven primarily by technology. While science allows us to understand rules governing the world, engineering applies these rules to solve real-world challenges and advance mankind. Technologies like robotics, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and biomaterials have changed the way we live, work, and play. Take for example the current COVID-19 outbreak, where humans rely heavily on technology not just to fight the virus, but also track how the virus is spreading. It is the technology that has allowed policymakers to make decisive actions to contain this global threat. Traditionally, during the annual NTU Open House, professors like myself would be shaking hands and mingling with prospective students like you, telling you about NTU and our courses. Rightfully so, we are human beings, and we are social creatures. However, this is not possible with the COVID-19 situation. Thankfully, because of technology, we are able to have this virtual open house. Like they say, the show must go on. Again, who is responsible for developing such communication technologies? Engineers. We are in the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, whereby the cyber, physical, and biological worlds combine. I'm sure you have heard of stories of robots and artificial intelligence taking over people's jobs. But if you are the person creating robots and writing computer codes to power artificial intelligence, would you be worried? Here at the College of Engineering, we prepare students for tomorrow's job. Our 6 engineering schools invest a lot of resources to train engineering students to excel in their careers. We offer a curriculum that addresses the demands of the future workforce. For instance, we have recently revamped our curriculum such that all first-year engineering students have to undertake courses related to data analytics. We are also aware of the fact that the future jobs will be interdisciplinary in nature. I'm sure you have heard of the saying, "Jack of all trades, master of none." Here at NTU, we train our engineers to be Jack of all trades and master of one. We want our students to have depth in a chosen field and at the same time a good breadth of knowledge in an assortment of other disciplines. For example, if you were to take our aerospace engineering course, you would deep dive into subjects like aerodynamics and propulsion so that you would emerge a competent engineer capable of designing the jet engine of the future. But at the same time, we would expose you to materials engineering so that you would select the correct material for engine parts. We would give you a grounding in finance and business so you know your product is economically viable. You could even take a course in art and design so that as you develop the functionality of your aircraft, you also think about the aesthetics of the finished product. Finally, I just want to touch a little bit on university ranking. It is without a doubt that NTU is a world-class university. The College of Engineering is consistently ranked in the world's top 10 in most credible rankings. So I was asking myself, what does it mean to you, the prospective student? Well, great. You will get a very recognized engineering degree from a world-class university. But there are other world-class universities out there you could go to as well. So why NTU? If there is one distinction about NTU engineering that sets ourselves apart from all other universities, it would be our close ties with the industry. We have set up corporate and joint labs with the likes of Rolls-Royce, Alibaba, and BMW. If you walk around campus, you would bump into engineers and executives from these companies. During your candidature at NTU, you may work on projects from these companies and be exposed to cutting-edge technologies in these companies. We have students who have secured jobs with these big boys long before they graduate. In conclusion, I can promise that you will have a very engaging 3 to 4 years in NTU, which will lead to a fulfilling career ahead. Over the next few weeks, do visit our online resources to find out more about each program we have to offer. We look forward to assisting you in making a choice which will always put you in the forefront of technology. My dedicated professors and myself from the College of Engineering hope to be part of this academic and career development journey.